Click on this button once, you'll make $178. Click on this button a couple of times, you'll make $7,500 a month. So get ready, because this AI tool I'm going to show you will help you make up to 400 affiliate blogs in 2 minutes that can potentially make you up to $7,500 a month with ClickBank affiliate marketing. I mean, take a look at this article that I created with this tool. Look at the quality of the article. It has the images, the video, the tables. I mean, is your mind blown? And all it took was just one click of a button. So the AI tool is SEO Writing AI. I'm going to show you how to use this tool to automate your affiliate blogs and make affiliate commissions like never before. But before we get into that strategy, if you want to learn exactly how ordinary people from all around the world are making anywhere from $1,000 per day on up to $21,000 per day with ClickBank by leveraging AI with simple and shockingly cheap foreign traffic, comment the word AI and I'll reply and send it to you. Or you can click the first link in the description below or go to insider10x.com and download this free special book that will show everything about this method. Once you download the free book, you are going to be redirected to this page where you have the opportunity to register for the free ClickBank workshop that will show everything you need to know to get started. Over $364 million in ClickBank affiliate commissions have already been generated within 3 years from the student by using this 3-step system. So make sure to go to insider10x.com or send me a DM on my Instagram and I'll guide through all the steps. Alright, so like this video, and let's start with step 1, which is to come over to this website called ClickBank. If you don't have an account, just click on Start here, skip this quiz guide, and from here fill out your info, and you're ready to roll. I do have an account, so I'm gonna log in, and this is what you are going to see. Then click on Top Offers, and this is going to show you all the top selling offers on ClickBank. For example, this offer has 590 gravity score, which means 590 people have made money promoting this offer in the last 30 days, which indicates that this product has the potential to make a lot of money. So this product is a weight loss supplement. How do I know this? Well, if I click on this product page, you'll see that it's weight loss supplement called Mitolin. So let's hit Promote. Enter your affiliate ID, and this will generate an affiliate link for you. So every time someone clicks this ugly looking link, purchase the product, you are going to make $170 period. So how do we make people to click on this link, land on this website, and buy the product? Well, we are going to use this amazing AI tool called SEO Writing. You can create up to 400 blogs within just 2 minutes by using their bulk article generation feature. And it will create up to 400 SEO optimized blog with images, videos, tables, internal linking, and many more, which I'll talk about in just a moment. So come here to SEO Writing or click the first link in the description below and you'll land here. And here you'll see a couple of options. The first one is super page, and the second one is one-click blog post, and the third one is bulk article generation. I'm going to go over to the bulk article generation and super page in just a moment. But for now, let me show you how to use the one-click blog post. So the process is super simple. Click on this one-click blog post, and this is what you are going to see. This is where you are going to add a main keyword for your blog, which in this case, it's our product name. And based on the main keyword, this will generate a highly optimized title for the keyword, which brings us to step number 2, keyword research. So come over to ClickBank. This is the product called Mitolin. Next, come here to a free keyword research tool called SEMrush. Type here Mitolin and hit search. And as you can see, over 48,750 people are searching for this keyword who are potentially looking to purchase the product. And this is in the United States alone. Consider how many people are searching for this keyword worldwide. Definitely more than 48,000. So let's copy this keyword, come over to SEO Writing, and paste it in the title and hit Generate Title. And this is going to generate this highly SEO optimized title. And if you didn't like it, you can generate another title just by clicking here. Next, we have to select the language. So I'm going to select English United. Next, select article type. I'm going to leave it as none. Next, we have the article size. You can choose from extra small, small, medium, and large. And here you'll see the number of words it will include. So I'm going to select medium. Next, we have tone of voice. I'm going to go with informational because this will create it in a way that is tailored for people who want information. And that's exactly what our goal is. Next, we have AI models. There are a couple of options. I'm gonna select Llama 4. It's one of the top high-level AI model. Next, we have the point of view. There are a couple of options like first person, I, me, my, mine, second person, you, your, yours, so on and so forth. I'm gonna select first person point of view because it will create it in a way based on personal experience, which connects with the readers and plays a vital role of increasing the user engagement. Next, we have target country, so definitely select United States. Next, we have brand voice, which means it will create unique styles and tones for different situations using brand voice, ensuring your content always remains consistent. Next, we have detail to include section. You can just skip this if you want. In this case, I just want to paste the keyword that says Mytilin Review because I want to be specific. Next, we have Media Hub. So here it asks, do you want AI images? I'm going to select yes. Number of images, let's go with 4. Image style, let's go with the photo. YouTube videos, no, because I don't want my traffic to watch others' review video on my website, which can decrease my sales volume. However, you can use videos if you want. Next, we have layout options. You can play around with this. I'm going to select sequentially in each section. Next, we have the structure section. This is where you are going to include a prompt to create what you want in the introduction, which is the first few paragraphs of your article. This is important because this is going to write an intriguing hook that's going to pique the reader's curiosity and encourage them to continue reading the rest of the content. Now you can write here manually if you want, or you can just select the options from here. For example, I'm going to select personal and emotional because we as people are social and emotional creatures, so it connects with the audience. Next, we have conclusion. I'm going to select yes, tables yes, headline yes, and leave everything yes, which I'll explain in a moment. Next, we have internal links. So if you have a WordPress website, you can just add it here, and this feature is going to automatically index your site and add links relevant to your content. Since I don't have a WordPress website, I'm gonna leave it as none. Next, we have external linking. So this feature will automatically integrate authoritative and relevant article links in your content, making it more trustworthy. I'm gonna select automatically and leave these as default. Next, we have connect to deep web. I'm gonna select yes. What this will do is, this will analyze hundreds of the most relevant websites with statistical data to create accurate articles, incorporating automated citations, which I'll talk about later. Next, we have the search source. I'm going to select real-time search, since this technology enables the immediate acquisition of search results, which are then used for article writing. Next source date, I'm going to select all time. Exclude URLs, I'm going to select yes. Then we have syndications, which basically means it will create marketing content for other social platforms based on your article, so you can distribute it and get more exposure. Since it's a review video, I don't think it's going to have any impact, so I'm going to leave it as default. And finally, we have the option to publish the article directly to your WordPress. If you have a WordPress website, that's great. You can just install the SEO Writing plugin inside your WordPress account and connect, and this will automatically publish the article in your WordPress website. You can also schedule the workflow if you are creating bulk articles. So let's say if you are creating 10 to 100 articles at a time, then this feature will allow you to schedule your blog post, and every single day it will publish the article in your website, depending on your schedule settings and how much posts you want per day to publish. This feature is available specifically when you are creating the bulk article generation feature. But for now, let's keep no, since I don't have WordPress account. Then all you have to do is scroll all the up and hit run. And this is going to start creating the article, which is going to take you up to 2 minutes. While the article is being generated in the background, you can sit back, chill and relax. And after 2 minutes, you can see the article is now ready. So let's open it, and there you go. You can see the image looks so damn good. You can see the key takeaways is perfectly aligned. The tables looks great. It even created this professional looking button. And heck, it even tells you the content score of how well written your article is to outperform your competitors. It also shows you the ranking score of your keywords, headlines, and meta tags. Now, I recommend you to change a couple of things like the images. For example, I'm going to replace this image with the real supplement. You can get the product images from the affiliate page. As I've already downloaded some images, I'm going to replace all these images where the AI-generated supplement is present with the original image and upload it in the same format. So make sure to change all the images just like I've done. Alright, now let's talk about how to create up to 400 blogs with a couple of clicks. So go to Dashboard and click on Bulk Article Generation. And this is where you are going to include different keywords. You can do keyword research by using SEMrush. Since I've already done the research, I'll copy these keywords and paste them into the main keywords section. You can include up to 100 or even 400 keywords as you want, and the tool will process them to produce up to 400 blogs. However, for the purpose of this video, I've included only 4 keywords to demonstrate how it works, so you can see the process in action. Alright, so I'm gonna hit Generate Title, and you can see based on the keywords, this is going to generate the title. Just like that, you're gonna generate NLP keyword, and it will start generating the keywords. And the rest of these settings will be similar as we did while creating the one-click blog post. So I recommend you to set up all these settings as we did previously. Then all you have to do is just click on this run button, and this is going to generate 4 different blogs in a matter of 2 minutes. And again, you can create up to 200 or even 400 blogs by including as many keywords as needed to generate the desired number of articles. So while this AI does all the work, you can just sit back, relax, and watch your content come to life effortlessly. Alright, the article has been generated. Let's see how it turned out. And there you have it. As you can see, the article looks fantastic. The images are appealing and it's well optimized. Now, let's talk about pricing. They offer 4 plans. The first is free, allowing you to create up to 5 articles with a limit of 25,000 words, plus humanized text, top quality images, etc. The starter plan lets you create up to 50 articles for just $14, which includes 10 super pages, while the professional plan allows up to 250 articles for just $59, etc. If you click the special discount link in the description below and use the code INCOME25 at checkout, you'll get an additional 25% off. So don't forget to use the coupon code. Now let's talk about the main subject here. How do we make money from these articles? If you have a WordPress website, that's great. You can connect it directly to this tool. But if you don't have a website, you don't necessarily need that much in order to rank your articles in Google. Personally, I've used platforms like Reddit, Medium, and LinkedIn to rank my articles in search results, and I've generated tens of thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions through them. So if you don't have a website, what I recommend you to do is come here to platforms like Reddit, Medium, or LinkedIn, for example, and paste your articles here. So let's open LinkedIn. The reason why I'm going to use LinkedIn is because LinkedIn articles ranks on Google. You can also post the articles on Reddit or Medium, and those articles will be ranked on Google. So I'm inside LinkedIn. All you have to do is click on Write an Article, and this is where you are going to paste your articles. So I'm going to come here to SEO Writing, and then just click on this copy button. Then come here to LinkedIn and paste the article over here. And this is going to paste the entire article. Next, I'm going to copy this headline and paste it in the headline section. Now, as you can see, the images are missing. You need to go back to the article. Then right-click on the image and download it in your laptop. Then come here to LinkedIn. You want to click on the image icon and upload the image right over here. And just like this, you are going to upload remaining images. Now, as I said earlier, you can replace this image with the product image, which I've already added. Now, the last step is to paste your affiliate link. So come here to ClickBank. This is the offer that we are promoting. So hit promote, then enter your affiliate ID. And this is going to give you your affiliate link. And this is where the beginner makes the mistake while trying to rank their articles. What they do is they just copy and paste this encrypted ClickBank affiliate link inside social media platforms, which I don't recommend. Because you see right here, it has ClickBank domain, so platforms like Reddit or Medium will ban you from their platform because they don't like ClickBank links or their domains. Instead, what you want to do is you want to shorten your affiliate link. So copy this link and come over to this website called Bitly. Then click on Create Link, paste it here, and hit Create. This is going to shorten your link, and you can see the domain is now changed to Bitly. So platforms like Medium or Reddit won't know this is a ClickBank link, thus they won't take down your account. So you want to copy this link, come over to LinkedIn, and this is where you are going to write a strong call to action, which is going to influence your traffic to click on your affiliate link and buy the product. So write something like, "Get Mytilin from official website." Then what you want to do is you want to highlight this, then click on link icon and paste your affiliate link and hit apply. This is going to insert your affiliate links inside this text. So you want to copy this call to action and you want to paste it throughout the article a couple of times. For example, I'm going to paste it right here. Then I'm going to scroll down and paste it right here. Once everything is done, you want to hit publish the article. And this is going to publish in LinkedIn platform, which is then going to rank in Google. Because your article is well optimized for keywords, it has images, tables, source links, and it's written as if a human has wrote this article. So it's top-notch, high-quality article that meets with the Google quality score. Now I recommend you to leverage other platforms, like Reddit, because Reddit is another platform that lets you write a blog article. And the crazy part is, Reddit articles ranks on Google in just 4 to 5 days. I'm saying because I've personally these platforms and have generated tens of thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions. But I've to warn you because Reddit is very sensitive. So I recommend you to post 3 to 4 articles without links and 1 article with your affiliate links. This is because Reddit is very sensitive and can ban you without any mercy. I advise you to get up to 100 karma to your Reddit profile. Reddit karma is a user score that shows how much a user has contributed to the Reddit community. In this way, they won't see you as a scammer and will reward you for your credibility. Now, if you want to learn exactly how ordinary people from all around the world are making anywhere from $1,000 per day on up to $21,000 per day by leveraging AI with simple and shockingly cheap foreign traffic, make sure you check out the first link in the description below, or go to insider10x.com and download this free special book that will show everything about this method. Once you download the free book, you are going to redirect to this page where you have the opportunity to register for the free ClickBank workshop that will show everything you need to know to get started. Over $364 million have already been generated within 3 years from the student by using this 3-step system. So, before everyone and their grandma jumps on it, I want you to click the first link in the description below or go to insider10x.com to take advantage of this golden opportunity right now. Make sure to watch the training until the end, as you only need to learn this system or skill once, and it will pay off for you forever. That's it for today's episode, and I'll see you in the next one.